Today is AirTags Day. If you ordered one last week, well, then you should be getting yours at some point today, and that's exactly what happened here as I have my 4-pack of AirTags alongside a few accessories from Apple and one from Belkin. AirTags are Apple's version of a Bluetooth tracker, much like Tile, but it's all linked to the Find My app. And if you're heavily invested in Apple products already, it just makes a lot of sense to look at these over some of the competitors that don't integrate with the Find My app. There are other trackers that do, and I assume more will come out, but for those who want an AirTag, you'll be happy to know that they are incredibly simple to pair. After unboxing, the minute you take out the pull tab, you'll hear a noise that officially turns on and activates your AirTag. Then your phone will prompt you with the setup process, which is super simple. You just tap connect, run through a few prompts, and maybe name the device that you plan to attach it to, and that's it. As with most Apple products these days, it's a very streamlined process. As far as the design of AirTag, it's literally a button with some stainless steel on the back. It's not anything crazy, but I do kind of prefer this level of quality and the footprint over some of the other trackers that I've used in the past. Although, forewarning, this stainless steel is going to get wrecked after a few days of use. I can promise you that you will get scratches. Thankfully, one AirTag will run you roughly $30, or you can get a 4-pack for $99. You can also get them engraved with emojis or letters to spice things up a bit. Since I'm 10 years old, I did get an AirTag with a poop emoji, but unfortunately, that won't arrive until next week. There is one thing worth noting about the design, and that's the fact that there's really nothing that you can attach the AirTags to. There's not a hole like there is in Tile, where you can take any keychain and just put it through the hole and attach it to a bag. You almost certainly will need to buy some sort of accessory like the ones that I'm going to show you later on in this video, unless you just don't mind your AirTag loosely hanging around in a bag. I do like how easy it is to get to and replace the battery. The battery is just a simple CR2032, and all you have to do is kind of push down on the back of the AirTag and then twist, and it opens up really easily. And then once you replace the battery, you just do the same thing. You put the back cover on, and you push down, and you twist in the opposite direction. It reminds me a lot of like a pill bottle, the child lock on there. It works in the same way. Now, when you head into the Find My application, you won't find your AirTag under Devices, but instead, it'll be in the new Items tab. As you can see, I named mine Dan's Backpack, which is where I plan to put this specific AirTag, and if I tap on it, you'll get options to play a sound, which sounds like this. You can find it using the precision finding feature, there are notification options, or enter it into lost mode. Precision finding is really one of the more intriguing new features, and basically what it does is it'll take you directly to your AirTag once you arrive within a certain distance, and it will use haptic feedback and sounds as you get closer. And yeah, as you can see, it works pretty well, and my phone just started to vibrate more and more as I got closer to that AirTag. And that's really it for AirTags. If you guys want to see a full video comparison between Tile and some other trackers out there, be sure to leave a comment and subscribe so you don't miss that video. But before we end this video, I do want to let you know about some of these accessories. You can get a few different types of loops from Apple, both in silicone or leather, and the products sold directly from Apple range anywhere from like $12 to $450. I went with a few options like the one from Belkin, which is only $12.95. The ones from Apple are really nice. They're very premium and well made, and they are incredibly simple to attach an AirTag to. You just pop open the button, slide the AirTag in, close that pouch, and then you can take the little AirTag and slide it through the slot there once you have it wrapped around where you want to attach it to on a bag, for example. And that's it. And then you just pull and it's just a loop that it dangles down from wherever you attach it to. It's pretty simple. I recommend going with one of these, maybe the silicone loop, which is a little bit, cheaper than the other options out there. There are priced around somewhere between $30 to $40, but the quality is very good. I'm sure there'll be cheaper options available soon from third-party companies, but I haven't really been impressed with the other options. Now, it's not Belkin's fault. This one's made up of plastic. That's not a big deal, but the problem with this is I had the hardest time opening this back up. I accidentally closed it without an AirTag in just to see what it looked like, and now I can't seem to open it back up. It's definitely user error, but I was really frustrated and I didn't want to spend any more time on trying to get this open. So unfortunately, I can't really tell you how it fits inside. I'm sure it's fine. But either way, I'd love to know your thoughts on AirTags in general. What do you plan to use them with? How many did you buy, etc.? Just let me know in those comments down below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.